Good morning, class. I hope you must have listened to that video and you must have understood the differences of clauses, phrases, and sentences. Today, we will discuss something on the basis of all that we did in our previous lecture related to clauses. We discussed the difference between independent and dependent clauses. Independent clause gives complete sense, dependent clause gives incomplete sense, and dependent clause always starts with a subordinating conjunction. We discussed some of the subordinating conjunctions also that day. Let us see. Come to B part of worksheet 1, page 63. What all you have to do here, they have given you one sentence, and out of that sentence you have to first of all find out finite verbs. We discussed finite verbs also. If you remember, finite verbs are those verbs which indicates tense. Then we have to find out subject, finite verb, and then we have to separate independent clause and dependent clause. Okay, see, just listen carefully. First, they have given, they stopped when the sun set. So here we have two clauses, when the sun set and they stopped. So clauses are two, it means there are two subjects and there are two finite verbs also. Subject is they and the sun, and finite verbs are stopped and set. Fine. Now dependent clause. Dependent clause, as we know, starts with an subordinating conjunction. Here when is the subordinating conjunction? So when the sun set, this is dependent clause, they stopped is independent clause. Same way we have to analyze all the sentences. Second is, there was a king who chose to live in a forest. Who is used for human beings only, but here it has been used, here also it has been used for a human being. You should never use who for an animal or a non-living thing. Who is used only for human beings. Now here, there are two clauses. First, we will find out dependent and independent clause. Dependent. First, dependent, because dependent is easy to locate and whatever is left will be independent. Who chose to live in a forest? This is dependent clause. And there was a king. This is independent clause. Subjects, a king. In both the clauses, common subject is there, a king. Verbs are, in dependent clause, verb is chose. In independent clause, verb is was. Now third sentence. Tell me how you completed the work. Independent clause is tell me. Dependent clause is how you completed the work. And subject is common in both the sentences, both the clauses. Tell me or you tell me, same thing. So you is the common subject. Verbs are tell and completed. Fourth, the girl who was from Delhi won the crown. So here, who was from Delhi, this part is dependent clause. The girl won the crown is independent clause. You should remember that one clause can be split like this also. And subject is common in both the clauses. The girl, verbs in dependent it is was, independent it is won. Fifth sentence now. The man whose car was stolen had to stay in the police station. So here also independent clause has been split like the one in fourth example. Whose car was stolen. This is dependent clause and independent is the rest of the part. The man had to stay in the police station. Subject common, the man. Verbs was stolen and had. Sixth sentence now. The movie that we saw was boring. So that we saw, dependent. The movie was boring, independent. Verbs are saw and was. Subjects are we and the movie. Seventh, you will not reach the school on time unless you hurry. Unless you hurry, dependent. You will not reach the school on time, independent. Subject is common, you. Verbs are will not reach and hurry. The lady whom we saw yesterday is my neighbor. Whom we saw yesterday, dependent. The lady is my neighbor, independent. Subjects are we and the lady. Verbs are saw and is. Ninth, the bridge which was built a year back has collapsed. Which was built a year back, dependent. The bridge has collapsed, independent. Subject is common, the bridge. Verbs are was built and has collapsed. 10th, if the guests are coming, the flat should be properly cleaned. If the guests are coming, dependent. The flat should be properly cleaned, independent. Subject, the flat and the guests. Verbs are coming, should be cleaned. Okay, so I hope you must have got the idea. Now, worksheet 2, you should read whatever they have given for explanation and try to do worksheet 2 on your own. In worksheet 2, what do you have to do? This is just the opposite thing that we have done in worksheet 1. In worksheet 1, from one sentence we separated dependent and independent clauses, and in worksheet 2 they are giving us two clauses and we have to adjust them in one sentence. Try to do it. Even if you find it a little difficult, try to do it and try to add one conjunction. In most of the sentences you will be able to manage by adding question words in the place of conjunction, like how, when, who, whose, that also, that can also come. If, unless, any conjunction that is a subordinating conjunction can be used. So worksheet 2 is your homework. Thank you.